Hey everybody, Aaron Blaise here, and I'm about to hit the road, and we're going to do a road trip up to the Northeast and go check out the eclipse that's happening on Monday. But before I go, I want to let you know about a sale that's going on over at creatureartteacher.com. So right now, I'm running one of the biggest sales ever on my website. It's 10 classes that are just $1 a piece. So everything from animation to digital painting and traditional media are on sale. This includes getting started with Procreate, where I'm going to teach you animation, how to draw human anatomy for only $1, and for its lowest price ever, my Drawing Clear Expressions course is only $1. I've also got charcoal, watercolor painting, and pen and ink classes on sale, plus my digital classes like Hidden Creatures of the Forest and my extremely popular Creature Design course. They're only $1 each. All classes give you lifetime access, and they're go at your own pace. So hurry up, the offer is going to end soon, and I've got to hurry up. I've got to get out of here and go chase that moon that's going to get in front of the sun on Monday. So I hope you guys have a great time. Go put some beauty back into the world. Go check out creatureartteacher.com, save some money, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks.